Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sport Association kan penlong yaka Open Paragliding Accuracy Championship Asian League haka nyau terik hadu shipau terik benai nopra 8,000 arpoar hamadan rapling. Habakran sekilat patai kubor haka arpoi terik unai wing 8,000 arpoar. Presiden ke Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sport Association uba Desmond Noklau uliat hu kat hadu menta kidan nyau teli kiri ke balada register kentop yaka USA, South Korea, Thailand, Indonesia, Nepal, bat kiwe kiri. Shushu uba Desmond uliat hu uba kat hadu menta tang uwe uba nak jela Meghalaya ubanya Shim Bynta haka nika jingya lekai. Uliat hu ru pada kalian juga sorkar kala ai arpusan nak tengka banyarap yaka nika kunhun ban penyat bet yat renti yaka nika jingya lekai.
Ini nakalian association nimut penlong yaka international paragliding accuracy championship kapanong apa madan raplen ti ajan railum nganu nyuk tarik hadu sepuluh tarik ti hadu menta kita don hadu si spartan ki participants ki lawan nakalian kari India juni pilots mak kumjuru naka bari Jena bari kita don kiri kum ka Korea tika hari mereka Nepal Indonesia la ni mut register hadu sepuluh tarik kiri lawan na bari but the local pilots banampo India itu kan one year yakni ke championship ti hamni batni menta idon i vice president jongka FAI Federation Aeronautic International vice president jongka India Mr. Colonel Sukhdeep from the army ini John ide managing director jongka association jungi.
Regarding the event, like it's the name of the event is Meghalaya Accuracy Championship, and it's combined with the Asian League qualification also. So there is two technically speaking there are in one game there will be two games actually. So it is Asian League also, and first time it's happening in India. We'll be choosing the pilots, the Indian pilots who wants to qualify for the Asian League happening in Thailand next year, maybe in January or February, I don't know the exact date. And for this event, I'm the coordinator first. I'm doing all the coordination with the main body, the FAI, and I'm the chief judge also. I'm appointed the chief judge as a chief judge for the event. And this is like I can say that we are very lucky. Like we are getting more than expected participation.